Czechoslovakia. So here, down left by 3, and 2, right by 3, down by 1, right, down right by 1, up right by 1, right by 1, down right by 4, then by 1, and down left by 1, out 2, go here, please, repeat the ang green si Bembem. Bottom will be red, and will white. Let me show you time to Czechoslovakia. And then, this have no Czechoslovakia. Up right by 1, down right by 2, right by 1, up right by 1, right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down right by 1, right by 1, down by 1, down, down, left by 1, down by 1, right by 1, and then same left by 2. Go here, and left, right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up right by 1, right by 2, up right by 1, right by 1, right by 1. To connect that like that, if you finish it, go right here, put 1, and then do this pattern, like that, till the bottom part to that, and then push that. Now you just need to do this, then stop, like that. And if the bottom is start, will give slowly to it. Bam! This will be your Czechoslovakia. Next part will be Poland.